Good evening everyone. Last class we have discussed about nature of carbon halogen bond. Nature of carbon halogen bond. Next, methods of preparation of haloarene. Methods of preparation of haloarenes. Today we are going to chemical properties. Chemical properties of haloarene. Especially reaction involving halogen atom. It's a very important one. Reaction involving halogen atom. First reaction between aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. First point number 1. Aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, the nature of carbon halogen bond become stronger. The nature of carbon halogen bond become stronger. Example, take chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene, the difference between chlorine and benzene, 1.70 Armstrong. 1.70 Armstrong. Shorter and also stronger. So, do not involving aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. But in haloarene, some of the substituted reaction, especially OH minus, NH2 minus, Cl minus, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Let us consider first one, OH minus. Next go to Dow process. It's a very important one. Preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene. Dow process. Phenol preparation. Take chlorobenzene, react with NaOH, sodium hydroxide at high temperature 350 degrees Celsius, high pressure 300 atmosphere. Sodium hydroxide to split at Na plus and OH minus. C6H5 plus Cl minus. Here OH minus become act as a nucleophile. In this nucleophile to attack C6H5 plus. The product C6H5 OH plus Na plus Cl minus. NaCl, sodium chloride. So named as phenol. So preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene at a high temperature and a high pressure. The temperature 350 degrees Celsius, pressure 300 atmosphere. Okay. Next reaction, take chlorobenzene followed by 2 moles of ammonia. 2 moles of ammonia. Temperature 250 degrees Celsius. 250 degrees Celsius, 50 atmosphere. 50 atmosphere. The 2 moles of ammonia, it can be splitted by NH3 and NH2H. NH3 and NH2H. C6H5 NH2 minus. The product C6H5 NH2 plus NH3 plus 1 hydrogen NH4 plus Cl. NH4Cl. Ammonium chloride. Once again, take the 2 moles of ammonia. The 2 moles of ammonia to splitter NH3 1 mole. The next one NH3 become NH2H. NH2 minus become act as a nucleophile to attack C6H5 plus. The product C6H5 NH2. Next NH3 plus 4 hydrogen NH4 plus Cl minus H4Cl. It's named as aniline. Aniline. Next, preparation of phenyl cyanide. Preparation of phenyl cyanide. Say C6H5Cl. Chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene followed by CuCl. CuCl. Temperature 250 degrees Celsius. Temperature 250 degrees Celsius in the presence of pyridine. In the presence of pyridine. Cu plus Cl minus. CuCl. Remaining C6H5 plus Cl minus. So C6H5 plus contact Cl minus nucleophile to form C6H5Cl. Phenyl cyanide. Remaining CuCl. CuCl. All this reaction is an example for aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, the first equation OH minus become act as a nucleophile. Second one NH2 minus. Third one Cl minus. Cl minus. First one OH minus, the product phenol. Second one NH2 minus, the product aniline. Third one Cl minus, the product C6H5Cl. Phenyl cyanide. Next, overall reaction. Overall reaction C6H5Cl. Chlorobenzene. First, number one, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. C6H5OH, phenol. Second one, 2 moles of ammonia, NH3. The product C6H5NH2, aniline. Third one, CuCl. The product C6H5Cl, phenyl cyanide. At a high temperature, high pressure. First one, the temperature become 350 degrees Celsius and 300 atmosphere. Dow process. Second one, 250 degrees Celsius and 50 atmosphere. Aniline. Third one, 250 degrees Celsius in the presence of pyridine. All are examples for aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next reaction, reaction with active metals. Reaction with active metals, especially Woods fitting reaction. Next reaction, reaction with active metals. Reaction with metals. First one, important one, the naming reaction, Woods fitting reaction. Woods fitting. Woods fitting reaction. In Woods fitting reaction, general reaction ARX. Haloarine react with active metal sodium plus alkyl halide in the presence of ether. NaCl replace the remaining product or Ar plus 2NaX. 2NaX. Alkyl react with aryl halide. Alkyl halide is reactive with aryl halide in the presence of active metal like Na, the product. Example, C6H5Cl. Chlorobenzene reactive with sodium to form reactive with sodium in the presence of Cl, C2H5, ethyl chloride, 2 moles of NaCl. 2 moles of NaCl. The product C6H5, C2H5, C6 C2H5 plus 2 NaCl. This is named as ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene. Woods fitting reaction, one aromatic and one aliphatic. One aromatic halide and one aliphatic halide in the presence of ether. First number one. Next reaction, halogenation reaction. Halogenation reaction. Chlorobenzene react with Cl2 in the presence of FeCl3. Cl plus electrophile. In this electrophile to attack ortho and para position. This is ortho dichloro benzene. Ortho position, two adjacent position ortho, so ortho dichloro benzene. Next, para dichloro benzene. Para dichloro benzene. First halogenation. Second one, nitration. Nitration reaction. Nitration reaction. Take the chlorobenzene. React with concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 and concentrated HCl. Concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated nitric acid HNO3. So during nitratic mixture, NO2 plus. During nitratic mixture, NO2 plus act as a, that is electrophile. In this electrophile to attack ortho and para position. Ortho and para position. Cl NO2 plus Cl NO2. This is orthochloro nitrobenzene. Orthochloro nitrobenzene. Next, para position. Para-chloro nitrobenzene. So orthochloro dichlorobenzene, all ortho product, minor product. All ortho product, minor product. All para product, major product. Major product. So first one halogenation, especially chlorination. Second one nitration. Third one sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation reaction. Take chlorobenzene. So react with the concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid. SO3 H become act as a electrophile to attack ortho and para. Cl SO3 H. Cl SO3 H. So orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This is para. So para chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. sulfonation. Next one, Friedel graph alkylation. Friedel graph alkylation. Chlorobenzene followed by AlCl3 in the presence of methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. The product ClCH3. Orthochlorotoluene plus parachlorotoluene. This is a orthochlorotoluene. Next para portion, parachlorotoluene. Next reduction. Chlorobenzene. 2 moles of hydrogen in the presence of nickel and aluminium. Nickel or aluminium alloys. Cleavage, hydrogen. C6H5, 1 hydrogen. C6H6 benzene plus HCl. Benzene plus HCl. Reduction. Next reaction. Formation of Grignard reagent. Formation of Grignard reagent. C6H5Cl. Chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene reactive with magnesium. C6H5MgCl. C6H5MgCl. Phenyl magnesium chloride. In general reaction, C6H5X plus magnesium to gives C6H5MgX. Phenyl magnesium halide. This is Grignard reagent. Okay. Next, fitting reaction. In fitting reaction, 2-haloarine C6H5Cl chlorobenzene followed by Na active metal 2 moles Cl C6H5 removal of NaCl. The remaining product C6H5 plus 2NaCl. This is named as biphenyl. What are the difference between fitting reaction and Woods fitting reaction? Fitting reaction, 2-haloarine. Woods fitting reaction, 1 alkyl halide, 1 aryl halide is good. 1 alkyl, 1 aryl is good. 1 alkyl and 1 aryl. This is the difference between Woods and fitting reaction. Okay. Next, go to conclusion. Today, chemical properties. Chemical properties of chlorobenzene. There are 2 types of chemical properties of chlorobenzene. First one, aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. So, aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction only disturb the halogen. Only nucleophilic become substituted to preparation of phenol like C6H5OH. Preparation of aniline C6H5NH2. Preparation of phenyl cyanide C6H5Cl. Aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next, reaction with metals. 1 alkyl halide, 1 aryl halide. Woods fitting reaction. Suppose fitting reactions, 2 aryl halide, that is a fitting reaction. Second one, important one, reactions become benzene ring, C6H5. Reaction become benzene ring. In these types of reaction, aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. So aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction when electrophile to attack ortho and para position. Ortho and para position. In ortho and para position, ortho position minor product. Para position is a major product like halogenation, sulfonation, nitration, Friedel graph alkylation. Next reduction. Chlorobenzene get reduction benzene a ring in the presence of nickel or aluminum. Last one, formation of Grignard reagent. When formation of Grignard reagents by using magnesium, take the phenyl chloride followed by magnesium to form phenyl magnesium chloride. Okay, thank you.